Hello friends, very good evening. A hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Professor M.H. Annaya, and in this video we are going to learn how to draw the projection of a triangular pyramid resting on one of its lateral surface on HP with the vertex of the pyramid touching the line of intersection of HP and VP, which is called as XY. So friends, the pyramid has to rest on one of the triangular faces. So in the front view, you should have the triangular face as a line at an angle to XY. So friends, let's see what the question we have for today's video. A triangular pyramid of side of base 30 and height 60 mm rests on HP on one of its triangular faces. When you see this statement triangular faces, keep the pyramid on HP such that one of the shorter edge of the base is to your right side and it is perpendicular to VP, and obtain the top and front views of the pyramid to the given dimensions. Friends, here we have this triangle written with the side BC perpendicular to VP, and it has got a dimension of 30 mm, and the height of this solid is given to be 60 mm. So I draw the front view, top view to start with, then project all those lines onto the XY line and mark a horizontal line named as A dash, B dash, C dash. This line A dash, B dash, C dash on XY represents the triangular base of the pyramid. And here we know the height of the axis, and the front view we get a triangle O dash, A dash, B dash, C dash. And now, friends, you have to just see the front view of the solid and find out which particular edge or the line in the front view represents a triangular face. So, to have a triangular face, there should be 3 points on that line. So, here if you observe this O dash, B dash, C dash, this represents a triangular face, whereas O dash, A dash represents a slant edge. Since the pyramid has to rest on this triangular face on HP, I am going to draw this figure 1 as figure number 2 such that this triangular face O dash, B dash, C dash is on HP. So I have written this figure here, and you find these two figures are exactly identical. And we mark this as A dash, B dash, C dash, and in the front view of the second position, this O dash, B dash, C dash represents a triangular face because there are 3 points O, B and C. And friends, let us obtain the top view of the pyramid when it is resting on the triangular face on HP. Friends, since the base of the solid is inclined, or since the triangular face is on HP, for all the pyramids, whenever the pyramids rest on the triangular face or on the slant edge on HB, the complete base of the solid represented by this line A dash, B dash, C dash is seen in the top view. Hence, I am going to project these points one by one. Vertical line from A, horizontal line from here, and we get this point as A. Similarly, vertical line from B, horizontal line from B, the point where those two intersect will be the point B. Similarly, we obtain the point C. So we have got A, B, C, the triangular face of the base of the pyramid. And friends, when you look from the top, this O to A is also visible. Hence, I have drawn this visible line. And O to C is also visible, to be shown by a full line on the same lines. OB is also visible, full line. Hence, the complete slant edges OA, OB, OC, and the short and the base edges AB, BC and CA are completely visible. And one more important thing is this edge BC, which is perpendicular to VP, will have the same dimension of 30 mm. So these two will have the same dimension. Friends, now we have got the top view when the solid is resting on one of its triangular faces on HP, and in the question it is said, friends, it has to be. So he has given here, draw its projections when the edge, that is the vertex of the solid is here, but he says this solid has to touch XY line by the vertex O, such that this base of the solid is, that is BC, the shorter edge on which it is resting, should be parallel to VP. So friends, I am going to reproduce this figure 3 as figure number 4, and these two are exactly identical, excepting for that it is rotated through an angle of 90 degree. Friends, we have got the same figure redrawn here to the same dimension, and friends, we obtain here the final front view of the solid. So let me tell you how to obtain the final front view. This figure will give you top view of the solid, and to obtain the front view, we will have to project the points from all these corners, namely A, vertical line from A, horizontal line from A dash. The point where those two intersect is point A dash. Next, B, vertical line from B, horizontal line from this B dash. The point where those two intersect is point B dash. Similarly, we obtain the point C dash. Now friends, O was a vertex. That vertex is here. So horizontal line from O dash, vertical line from this O, the center of the base. You are going to have this point O1 here. So this is O dash and this is O dash here, and you have this O here. So since this vertex O is touching the XY line, both in the top and front views, that is seen as a line, a point there. Friends, finally, when you are joining this O to A, O to B and O to C, you find that this OA is sloping away from you. So, and it is not visible. So, I am going to show this point O by this line OA, a dotted line or invisible lines. O dash, B dash, O dash, C dash are completely visible. Hence, I have shown them by visible lines. Friends, finally, we are going to have this as the front view of the pyramid, and this is the top view. And before we conclude, we will have to verify whether the solution we have got for the above stated problem is right or wrong. How to verify? It is said in the problem, this triangular pyramid has to rest on triangular face on HP. So triangular face means it should have 3 points. You find here O dash, B dash, C dash is the triangular face. It was at an angle to XY. We have made that to rest on HP. So this is the triangular face O dash, B dash, C dash, and that O dash, B dash, C is seen as a triangle in the top view. And as per the problem, the vertex of the solid has to touch the XY line. The XY line is the line of intersection of VP and HP. So I have written or redrawn this figure number 3 as figure number 4, and these two are exactly identical with the vertex O touching the XY line, and the shorter edge is parallel to VP are given here. Parallel to VP and away from it. So friends, this is how we obtain, and in the front view you will see the line O dash, B dash, C dash is seen as a line. This OBC represents the triangular face which is on HP. Hence, whatever the solution we have got here finally, that is the projections of the solid, are completely correct. Friends, please go through the complete video, and if you like this video, do share with all your friends without fail. I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video. Have a nice day.